All right. Hey, how's it going? We're out here again today, working on the boat. I'm really happy that you guys like the content so far, and thanks for subscribing and liking and commenting and stuff. I really appreciate that. But yeah, it's been snowing like crazy. I hope everybody's okay and doing well. We're working on the boat, and yeah, let's get right to it. You know, it's covered up right now. Still got some water in it there, but I'm covering it here. You got snow just all over it and all over everything out here, and but anyway, today we're gonna be cleaning up a little bit more, getting some more things done. You know, what we're gonna do, we're gonna vacuum out all the leaves and everything, do some sweeping, clean it up, and then we're going to give it a good wash. I think that's the plan for today. It's a lot nicer out today. It's like 60 something. I'm in shorts. It's crazy. Oklahoma weather is just nuts. You got snow one week and ice and hail, and it's awful, and then 2 days later it's all melted and it's 70 degrees outside. So here we go. We're gonna get started up. I'm gonna throw the time lapse on. Thanks again for all the subs and everything. I really appreciate it, guys. Every view that I get is just so awesome, and I'm just so happy that we're starting up this community, and people are very encouraging, and I really appreciate it. But anyway, let's get right to it. I'll get into the time lapse and start it up. Okay, so we're back now. My phone died. Sorry about that, guys. But while you guys were gone, I got the carpet up, I think, on the time lapse there. But anyway, there was this board under here, which is like really the only wobbly place, and they didn't even put the right size board in here, whoever fixed it. So we're gonna get another piece of plywood, throw it in there. I've been doing research on how to do the resin and the fiberglass and all that stuff. So I got all the carpet out of here. It's looking real nice and clean. Get all that vacuumed out. I was gonna wash it like I said I was going to, but I forgot I don't have a hose because the water busted, and had to reroute my entire house right to the meter. So I didn't get a hose put in yet, but I'm gonna work on that pretty soon because I gotta work on the motor too. But anyway, I'll get up in here, show you guys the floor here. It's pretty good right in here, but it was always kind of wobbly here, right? And when I pulled that carpet up, I was surprised to see this board. They didn't even have it fiberglassed in all the way. It was, and then look at this. Like, I don't know. I probably ought to replace a couple of these things in here, but these sideboards are pretty sturdy. I think I might re-fiberglass them or paint them or something. But I'm definitely gonna put in a good board here, fiberglass it. What is this? Oh, I can't change that. Okay. But I'm gonna put a board in there, fiberglass over it all the way. Then I'm gonna probably paint over that fiberglass and all of this with a nice gel coat. I'll probably sand it down first, obviously. But anyway, I was trying to figure out these wires. I've been getting a couple of them arranged here. This red one, it looks like they're all tied together, right? So I just gotta find the opposites of those. I'm pretty sure those are all red. I'm extremely colorblind. That kind of looks red. I think that's red too. Okay, yeah. I think these are all the reds. And then I got a couple blacks. And then a couple that are red and black that are tied together. So I'm kind of figuring it out. Not really sure where everything goes, but I got that all cleared out back there. Got it all vacuumed. It's looking good. Tanks are looking good. The pumps, I gotta hook them up and see if they even work. They probably don't, so it doesn't really matter. I'm probably gonna get new ones anyway. But here's our live well here. Yeah. And then, like I said, the floor's pretty good everywhere. I mean, it's not anything too much to worry about except for here, obviously. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. All cleaned up. Appreciate you guys subscribing, liking, commenting. Let me know if there's anything that I don't know, because I'm sure there's lots of things I don't know. I still gotta get this off. I think what I'm gonna do is get a screw remover and get these out while I hold the nuts under there. Gotta clean this off. The wheel, like, it doesn't really move. I don't know that. And that's the whole thing. I've got to figure out what the cords are that go to the hydraulic lift kit in order to lift the motor up a little bit and be able to move this thing, because I don't really like moving it with the motor down so low, and I lowered it down back in the day, so I know that that still works. Even after like 10 years of it sitting, it still worked. So anyway, I got all these cleared out. This is some stuff that I've been pulling off the floors and everything. It's so weird because look up inside of this. I don't know if anybody's seen this, but you would think, right, that this whole little area, being the bilge, would be cleared out like the whole way through, right? So then the water can make it all the way down to the bilge pump, right? But look at this. Look at this right here. It's all enclosed. I don't know what the heck that's all about. I figured it'd be open all the way back. But the live well tank comes down a little bit further than the floor. So I figured that's that. But why? It's just so, I don't even know. I don't know. But anyway, I'm really enjoying this. This is, you know, I was gonna do this anyway, so I'm just putting it out here, and I'm gonna do stuff like this on this channel. And I got another boat that's my dad's that I'm gonna fix up. That's a Ranger. It's like an 82 Ranger. But yeah, you guys stay tuned. We're gonna be getting a lot of work done. We'll see y'all next time.